Hey, hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with another affordable wig video. This bad boy is only $22.86, and it is another one from the Janet collection, and this is the synthetic deep part super deep wig. So if y'all want to see all the details on this unit, then stay tuned. So I got this unit in the color 99J. This is the packaging that it came in. That black is just the hair that I almost threw this away. But yeah, so this is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. And it is super long, and y'all can see this color is gorgeous and the waves are beautiful. This wig actually can take heat up to 360 degrees. And so I'm going to take my foundation and just coat the bottom half of the lace to, you know, finesse it a little bit. And now I am plucking out some hairs to make that parting look even better than it already does, because the parting actually looks pretty good, but we're going to finesse it a little bit more. And so this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has two small combs right on each side of that parting. Also around the front of the hairline, it has a little bitty baby hairs around it, which I feel like makes it like really easy to throw it in like a low ponytail, so that you can't really see all of the, you know, all the guts of the wig or whatever when you pull it back. And now I am going to adjust the like adjustable straps all the way to the middle, so it'll be a perfect fit for my head. And so this is what the wig unit looks like straight on my head after my little bit of finessing. And it looks pretty good, but I would like my part to be more defined, so I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and go down that parting. And that's all I had to do. Now if you want to lay your baby hairs, you can, but I definitely felt like it was just unnecessary. It looks really good exactly how it is. So my pros for this wig is that it is a gorgeous color. I love the luster. It takes very little work to make it look good. It's very flat. It's a great fit, and it is long as hell. Okay, now my cons on this wig is that it did tangle while I was working with it, and that it is long as hell. This is definitely a wig that I'm gonna have to wear like special occasions. It's not an everyday type of unit, just when I'm trying to show off with the inches. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. It was fun. I've never had hair this long before. As always, the link down in the description box is going to be, you know, directly to the website that I got it from. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Hit that bell so that you'll be notified when I come out with more videos, because I have more coming in the future, of course. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.